This video we're going to be installing a Kenwood car audio stereo. It's the KDC-BT34 into my own personal boat. I know this isn't a marine radio. Most marine radios, marine speakers pretty much suck. This is the stereo that I've installed into a couple vehicles. It's a good sounding stereo. It's got lots of features. It's right around $100. They're easy to install, they last, everything works. You can get much better receivers for $200–300. But if you're looking for a $100 receiver that works well, is easy to install, then look no further than the Kenwood KDC-BT34. Now we're going to unbox it, I'm going to install it in a boat, and you guys can check it out. And there's what it looks like. It's a very nice looking receiver too. Looks good in a lot of different cars, even though I'm installing it in a boat. And that should be about it. Got some manuals there. Looks like you're going to take the metal jacket off. Alright, let's get down to the install. Alright, so I have my harness installed here. I have my speaker wires done, my positive and negative for the battery all connected. And these are waterproof connectors. Just because I'm putting it in my boat, I use the waterproof connectors. Well, here's the basic instruction manual that you're going to be looking at. Everything is clearly labeled with your positive and negative. Everything is also lettered. They also give you a little diagram how everything's supposed to be connected. So instruction wise, pretty clean, clear, and concise. So now all that's left is I'm going to connect this harness to the head unit and slide this in, and hopefully it will turn on. Something like that. So let's stick in a CD here. And see, there we go. So we've got sound, we've got power. I'm going to go through and pull the wires from the back side and then slide this in the rest of the way. But if you're looking for a good head unit that's cheap, I wouldn't look any farther than this Kenwood head unit. I've put a couple in for friends, a couple of my own cars I've put in. Recently sold one of them, and the guy actually said, "Oh cool, it's got a Kenwood head unit in it." So they do make good products, and I hope you guys learned something from the video, and I thank you for watching.